Zoom has a great virtual background feature which allows you to eliminate everything behind you even without a green screen, and it can do so with a pretty decent effect, though how good it is really depends on the quality of your camera and the lighting. So today let's go over exactly how you set it up, starting off with desktop. So what you want to do is just click on your profile icon in top right and then go into settings. Then you want to go into the backgrounds and video section. There you'll see a virtual backgrounds tab. So you want to go into there, and from there you can select if you just want to blur everything behind you or add a specific picture or video. You can also click on that plus icon to add any of your own pictures or videos to be played instead. Now if you do happen to have a green screen, then there's also a special option for that, which will tell Zoom to look out for that green screen green color, which will make the effect even more believable. Now let's go over the same thing but on mobile, and it's pretty much the same on both Android and iOS. For this you have to be in a meeting, and once you are, tap into that more icon in the bottom right and then go into backgrounds and effects. There, once again, you have the options to choose exactly what you want the background to be, or just blur out your regular background. Now, virtual backgrounds can cause some slowdown if you're on a particularly slow device or on a slow internet connection. So if your video is kind of lagging when you turn it on, you may want to turn it off. However, again, your connection will have to be particularly bad or your device particularly slow for that to be an issue. Most of the time, it is pretty efficient at what it does. So if you have found this video helpful, maybe subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.